wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Excuse me, Cap.
Yes.
What is your last country you have been born?
Okay, my last country name is KSA, King of Saudi Arabia, is Dammam.
Oh my God, you were in Dhamma.
Yes. No, Dammam.
Oh, Dhamma.
Yeah.
Dhamma, I've never heard before.
Yeah.
What is the culture in the Dhamma?
Oh, the culture. Okay, I will tell you about the culture of the Dammam. Okay.
What is the traditional dress in Dammam, Cap?
Now, the traditional dress in Dammam, especially for the men, name is tobe. The tobe is normally like this, but there is especially the white color. This is using for party or pray, on sometime they are using for daily. This is name is tobe, and also in the Dammam name something used like this, also like the Arabic. When I go to the Mecca, I use the name also the tobe. Okay, that's for the dress.
So how about the woman? What is the dress called?
Oh, the dress code, the basically segment the men like this. This long slide. The name is abaya. Abaya, but this is almost 100% is red. No, not red color, black color. So it's the black color. And you know that everybody go there, women using the abaya. Not only for Muslim, but all women. You go to the Dammam must be using the abaya. Okay, abaya is this is okay.
Excuse me, Cap.
Yes.
What the traditional food in Dammam, Cap?
Oh, you do you like eating?
Yes, I like eating.
Okay, the Dammam we can find many traditional food, but this time I will explain you three. The name is kapsa. This is kapsa. Then I'll also then see Bukhari. This is Bukhari. You can see, and also mandi, but not sour. Yeah, this is you see here. Okay.
Excuse me, Cap.
Yes.
I want to ask about what is the traditional dance in Dammam, Cap?
The traditional dance is Dammam. You want to know? Okay, let me see your dance first.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, I'm come from Bali, Cap.
Yes.
I want to practice about dance.
Oh.
Dance.
Oh.
Cap.
So this is Bali, Indonesia, but this time we're talking about the Dammam. The Dammam traditional name is Arda. Arda. This name Arda. The Arda. This is the national dance of Saudi Arabia, known the men Saudi dance. Okay. The next famous the Dammam name is Kasway. What's the Kasway? The Kasway is this is the connection between Saudi and Dammam. This is the Kasway. You can see Kasway. Kasway. This is the length around 35 kilometers. Then the only island in Dammam name is Marjan Island. See this Marjan Island. Okay, this is the culture of Dammam. Thank you so much.
Audio Jungle.